Today we're gonna talk about how to create a very cute butterfly. I'm gonna continue to use this watercolor book. It's a very good quality. Tools that I'm gonna use this Artisan metallic colors. It has a very great texture. First, I'm gonna draw the shape of the butterfly. The butterfly, this wing, is flipping like this. So you only see a very little on the side. Like that. That's good. Just take it easy, one step at a time. Pause the video if you need to. Now coming down all the way here. That's good. And I can divide this shape into two. Here you go. There's another shape over here. Let's first draw a little lightly, and then we come back to draw a little bit darker, a little bit more precise later. And that's the body of the butterfly. Here you go. You can change the shape if you want, like a couple lines like this. It's good. And then I have a couple line and the front over here, like that. Another one over here. Find a reference of a butterfly that you want to draw and look at it and analyze it. Okay, have fun with it. So I'm going to only draw the outside outline like this, and coming in over here. That's good. And on this side, I'm gonna have it come up like this and turn, and this side about this long, like this, coming over here, a little turn like that. That looks good. And a little curve like that, and then coming up right over here. Okay, I'm gonna draw the shape for the little body like that, and you can add a couple eyes. You cannot really see the eye much, so I'm gonna draw two lines over here like that. That's good. And I'm gonna draw some legs. How many legs? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like that. Okay, that's good enough. For the shape over here, like this first. And over here, we're gonna draw some shape over here. And then on the edge over here, we draw like this much. And that's probably good enough. We're gonna leave some white shape on the edge. Now I'm use this Artisan water brush. I can squeeze the water like right over here. I can put a little water over here first. Okay, that's good. What color we're gonna start with? And let's start with the gold color. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna start over here. I'm gonna put the metallic color over here first. I'm gonna leave some white shape in the middle over here. That's good. Let's do a little bit faster. Okay. And then coming over here, we're going to change it to a little bit warmer color. So I'm gonna have a little bit of this color and mix with the gold color together. Here you go. Now look a little bit warmer. Okay. Now I'm gonna totally coming using this color now. I'm gonna have the color change a little bit from gold to a little bit of this brown color. Nice. I can blend the color and let it coming in like that. And on this side, now I'm gonna have just this color, much warmer, like that. You can push it in and then lift it up a little bit like that. That looks good. Okay, I'm gonna have this color all the way here too, all the way over here, like that. That looks good. Now the bottom over here, I'm gonna give this color a little bit deeper at the bottom over here, like that. You can always change the color. You can always have a little bit color like this. That's good. Now at the bottom over here, I'm going to use a little bit more yellow color. So I'm going to squeeze a little bit of water so I have those color off from the brush. Now I want to use just the yellow color. This is not just yellow, it's a metallic yellow. And I'm going to have it right over here, like that. That's good. A little more. That's good. Now we're going to use a little bit the brown color. I'm going to have it at the bottom over here. Have a little bit warmer. So I'm going to have it look a little bit more transitioning from one color to the other when it's still wet. So this is good. And next, what I like to do, I'm going to use a really dark color. So I'm going to use this black metallic color. I'm going to start from the top over here. What I would like to do, I'm going to leave some white color and white dot. Okay, like that. That's good. And leave some white dot, like that. And paint it from the outside first and coming in like that. Here we go. And paint the outside first, like that. And coming back here. Get a little bit more. Okay. That's good. Have some dots. That's good. Like that. And we can have a little line over here. That's good. Now coming into the center over here. And I have a couple lines here like this. And now I'm going to have this as two spots. Just one step at a time. If you need me to slow down, just pause the video. And another dot. Another light square. So I want to draw this line first. Like this. All the way from here. I can expand it a little bit more. Okay. Now I'm going to have a little bit square over here. Just draw what you like. Like that. Coming on this side, I'm going to draw a little line coming here, dividing it. Okay. Now a little line over here. A little lighter line, like that. That's good. And over here, continue coming over here. Now that's good. Now I'm going to have a little bit more wet. That's good. Now shape the tip of the brush a little bit better. Now I'm going to coming over here. Make this even a little bit darker, like that. And the edge over here, have it a little bit more like the motion, the same motion. Okay, let's come in over here. Let's also do a little bit dot and leave a little white dot. And I'm going to divide this into two portions. That's good. like a one little part at a time, like that. Divide into two, like this. That's very easy. Now I'm going to have this line a little bit slowly coming over here. Now we're gonna have some line like this. First start with this one, and almost like the vein of a leaf. Okay, over here. Now coming all the way into here, and turn a little bit and divide this into 3. 1, 2, 3, and then coming here. Observation. Take a look at what it should look like this. And then on this side, it looks like a leaf. In the leaf, there is the vein. Okay, like that. Coming over here. Slowly. And turn. That looks good. And we're going to see how it looks like when it's totally dry. I'm going to coming over here. There's a little bit square. And coming connect with this part. And here you go. I'm going to connect that, divide this into 2 shapes. And now I'm going to have this first one. There's one line coming all the way here, like that. That's good. And then we're going to divide this portion into 3. 1, 2, and 3. That's good. Now we're almost there. Let's get more dark color. Now coming in here, let's paint the body like this. Now I'm going to use a little bit like a hairy. Now I'm going to use a little bit lighter of gray color. So I'm going to take this color. Actually, I can use this color too. A little bit warmer, kind of brown color. Now I'm going to fill it in the color here, like that. Now this is good. And now this butterfly is finished. And in the comment, please tell me what you like to paint next and what is your favorite animal.